In this video, we will discuss user customization, configuration, function setup, payable receivable management. By clicking each section, you can first set whether to enable automatic invoicing. If you enable automatic invoicing, the slips that you enter, such as inventory sales, purchases, and goods receipt, will be automatically invoiced and applied to the accounting module, which means that at the same time you save an inventory slip, the corresponding accounting invoice will be immediately created. And enabling this feature will affect a few functions and settings, and the details can be found by selecting Use option. In the pop-up window, you can first see the functions that use pre-invoicing slips will be automatically disabled. For example, pre-invoicing status and collective invoicing menu. In those menus, only the inventory data that have not been applied to the accounting module will appear, which means that if you enable automatic invoicing and if all inventory data are invoiced right after being created, then the menus will have no data to display. So those menus will be disabled. And also a few settings will be affected. So please refer to the displayed details. And next, you can set the search standard of AR/AP reports of Inventory 1 module. If you select By Customer Vendor Only option, then in AR by Customer report, for example, the program will summarize the data of the entire locations and entire departments. On the other hand, if you select By Location Project Department option and save, then if you refresh AR by Customer report, the fields for location, department, and project will appear, where you can search by a particular location code, project code, and department code. So if you want to separately manage AR and AP data by department, by location, or by project, please use the second option. And lastly, you can set the account code for AR/AP management. These settings will apply to AR by Customer and AP by Vendor report, respectively. For example, if you set Accounts Receivable as the receivable account, then the AR by Customer report will count only the accounting vouchers entered with Accounts Receivable as receivables, and only those data will appear in AR by Customer report. And the rest of the data of the accounting module that include such as other receivables account will not be counted as receivables in AR by Customer report. And also, if you set Accounts Payable as payable account, then AP by Vendor report will count only the accounting vouchers entered with Accounts Payable as payables, and any other data entered with such as non-trade payables will not appear in AP by Vendor report.